silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari border on acid washed premium boiled tussar fabric. And we have the green pallu with block prints in blue and pink. We have the contrast green blouse piece with both sides jari border. The saree is a very different shade of blue with dark blue color and pink block prints. Border we have the green pallu color, very beautiful and contrast combo with authentic silk. Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders. Beautiful boiled tussar acid washed saree, premium fabric. A very beautiful pallu here, pinkish red color, and we have the fish motif yellow color block prints. Very different green blouse piece, plain one. The saree have three splittings. The top and bottom we have yellow base and red here and there patch done, and we have the brown motifs, and in the middle we have the tussar color with owl block prints. Beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A royal blue color pallu, and the block prints are done using orange and white, and we have a plain royal blue color blouse piece with one side printed border. The saree is almost a half and half. The top half we have the plain royal blue, and the lower half white, half white color. The prints are done using orange. Beautiful design, excellent design with authentic silk. Silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A premium boiled tussar fabric, acid washed one, and we have a very beautiful pastel shade, brownish pink color, a very different color saree with same pallu, and the same color, plain color is given for the blouse piece with border. The complete saree and the pallu also have the same printing design, floral, done using half white and light green color. Very simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a very beautiful red pallu, a plain pallu here, red one, and we have the same plain blouse piece, completely contrast for the saree. The saree is in almost a half white color with mild green vertical lines, very mildly printed, and we have the floral pattern printing done alternatively yellow and red used for the color. The saree also has a red border. Beautiful one, simple and elegant with authentic silk. Silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful maroonish red color pallu, and you can see the block prints using yellow along with the jari lines. The saree is in same, the blouse piece is also in vanilla color. It's a very different saree. The body color is half white color, tussar base color, top portion with beautiful crane design prints, and the lower part, lower half is a partly tied, completely maroonish red with yellow block prints. It's a half saree model saree, exclusive design with authentic silk. Hand block printed with jari borders, done on acid washed premium tussar silk, a very beautiful soft fabric. The saree is in red and black, You can see the very beautiful block prints in black. You can see a bright red color, chili red color blouse piece. The whole saree is in that dark red, and we have the triangle shaped block prints done using black. We also have a big black border in the bottom. Beautiful saree in black and red with authentic silk work. Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders. Beautiful boiled tassa, acid washed premium fabric. We have a pink and navy blue color pallu with jari lines, and we have dark pink color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is also in pink, the top portion, and we have block prints in the lower portion in white, navy blue, and navy blue color border with mango white block prints. We also have a very beautiful navy blue color flower block prints in the upper part. A very beautiful saree, excellent color combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders, done on premium boiled Tassa saree, acid washed premium fabric. You can see the dual color pallu here, pink and blue, and we have jari lines, and we have a light blue color blouse piece with one side jari border. The saree is in pink, a magenta pink color, and we have very beautiful block print design in the lower part of the border. You can see the peacock pattern, dual color yellow and pink on the base Tassa color. A very beautiful blue is given on the borders as well. Beautiful saree with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful rusty orange color saree here, a rust color almost, and we have same running color pallu with block prints in blue and white. The elephant and duck design is given for the block printing, and we have a plain blouse piece with one side blue borders. And the saree, complete saree is in same running color, the rust color. Both sides of the saree borders we have blue, and you can see the block printing, the elephant and duck is given. Beautiful block print design, simple and very elegant with authentic silk. Saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a dual color pallu here, starting with the face design prints. Next we have a dark navy blue and red in the pallu along with the jari lines, and we have a plain red blouse piece with both sides jari border. The body is completely blue and half white. Top portion completely plain navy blue color, and the lower part we have the face printed, a girl face, traditional ethnic wear is given, along with the borders. Borders are done on base red color. Excellent color combo with authentic silk. Silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with jari border, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful brick brown color pallu with half white base and owl printing. Beautiful prints with a plain blouse piece in brown, and we have a very beautiful concept, a half saree model saree. The top portion we have the printed portion on half white color, black and red used for that. You can see the owl prints as well. And the lower portion is completely black with horizontal printing only in the second half of the saree. Very beautiful with authentic pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with Jari border, done on premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Very beautiful pallu, rusty orange color with brown and half white color block printing. We have same pallu color, blouse piece, plain one. The saree have very beautiful two splitting. In the upper bigger half we have olive green color plain body. In the lower half we have the brown base with half white color printing. A very beautiful and contrast saree, rare and exclusive with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with Jari border, done on premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. We have a very beautiful pink saree, pink pallu with white and royal blue color block prints, elephant design. Very contrast, orange color, peaches orange color blouse piece. The mid portion is completely orange in the top. So to half saree model saree, the top layer we can see the pink borders between orange and the half white color borders in both sides with prints. In the lower portion completely yellow with tabela printing as well as the lower printed portion. Also a very beautiful saree, beautiful design with authentic silk. Saree, premium quality, hand block printed, beautiful acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a pink pallu here with block prints completely done using light yellow color, very mild pink, and you can see the plain pink blouse piece with one side border design. The complete saree is in Rama green, very beautiful color. The Rama green color, and you can see the block prints in white, and we have also a dot done using pink. We also have pink borders in both sides along with the block prints. Very simple and beautiful saree here with authentic silk.